8 in my previous video I have solved question number 1 of exercise 6.2 and today we are going to do the further questions. So just see question number 2. It is saying write the expressions for each of the following. For solving this question we have to use one identity. Which identity? A plus B plus C whole square. Its expansion is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2C. Okay? And always keep one thing in mind, that the values of A, B and C will be taken according to their sign. Means if it is positive, then we have to take the value positive, and if it is negative, then we have to substitute the value in a negative form. Just see, if you will see question number 1, just see the part A. Part A is saying x plus 2y plus 3z whole square. X plus 2y plus 3z whole square. This we have to solve. Okay. So if you will see here, if you will compare this thing and this thing, then the value of A is x, value of B is 2y, and the value of C is 3z. Okay. Left hand side is given to us and we have to write it in the expanded form. So if I will write the expanded form, A square means x square, B square means 2y whole square, C square means 3z whole square, plus 2AB means 2 into x into 2y, plus 2BC 2 into 2y into 3z, okay, plus 2CA means 2 into 3z into x, okay. It is x square. It is, when bracket will open, then square will be done of 2 also and y also. It will become 4y square plus 9z square plus 2 to the 4xy plus 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12yz plus 3 to the 6zx. This thing we all know, that numbers get multiplied with numbers and alphabets gets multiplied with alphabets. Okay. So note it. Okay, so now see part B. In part B again we have to compare here. See, A, B, C are already used in the question. Okay, so we have to change the formula. So we have to write this formula in terms of x, y, z. Okay, why? So that you will not have any kind of confusion. X plus y plus z whole square. It will become x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay. Here in place of x it is A, in place of y it is B, and in place of in place of z, I had just told you that you have to take the values with their sign. It was positive, so taken positive. It is positive, so taken positive. It is negative, so its value will be minus 2c. Okay. So always keep this thing in mind, that while using this formula you have to take the values with their sign. If values are positive, take them positive, and if values are negative, then take them negative. Okay. So just do the expansion. X square means A square, y square means B square, then z square means minus 2c whole square plus 2x into y, 2a into b plus 2y into z, 2b into minus 2c plus 2z into x means minus 2c into x value is a. Okay. So you have to just substitute the values in place of x, y and z. Now solve it. A square plus b square plus minus minus plus 2 to the 4 c square. here plus 2ab plus minus, it will become minus 2 2s are 4bc plus minus minus 2 2s are 4c. Okay. So in the same way you have to do part C also. In part C I will just give you the hint. You can write the formula in XYZ. The value of x in part C is 2p. Value of y is minus 2q and the value of z is minus 3r. Okay. So you have to take the values according to their sign and substitute in this formula. You will get your answer. Okay. Note it. Okay students, class 8, now see question number 3. In question number 3 also we have to do the multiplication. Okay. So 5abc into 10a square b square c square 10a square b square c square into minus 3 a square b cube b cube c raised to the power 4. See, two signs are coming together, so we have to put one bracket. Okay. Into 6a square b square c raised to the power 5. Okay. We all know that like terms get multiplied within themselves. Number will get multiplied with numbers and same kind of alphabets, power will be added as we had done in the chapter exponents and power. Okay. So 10 5s are 50. 50 into 3, it will become 150. 150 into 6, if we will do 6 5s are 30, 6 1s are 6, 7 8 9. So numbers multiplication become 900 and also see the minus sign. Only one minus is here. It means it will come here. Now see A. How many A are here? 1, 2. 1 plus 2. Again here also plus 2. Here also plus 2. Okay. Into B. 1 plus here 2. Here 3. Here 2. Into C. Here exponent is 1. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5. So it will become minus 900. A raised to the power 6 plus 1 7. B. 3 plus 2 5, 7 and 1 8. And then C. 5 plus 4 9, 10 11 and 1 12. So this is our needed answer. In the same way you have to do part B. Part A and part B are same. Okay. Note it. Okay student, now see part C. Part C and D are same. Okay. In part C and D we have to use the formula x plus y cube minus, or we can say, I can write it in a more simple way, x cube minus y cube. It is x minus y, x square plus y square minus xy. Okay. So if you will see the part C. Okay. In part C it is written 3x plus 5 whole cube minus 3x minus 5 whole cube. Okay. So in place of it is already x is used, so we can change the formula. We can use the capital letters. Okay. So that you will not have any kind of confusion. One thing, second thing is there. This formula is having two things: x cube minus y cube and x cube plus y cube. If it is written minus here, then here is minus and here is plus. Okay. And suppose if here is plus, then here will be plus and at this place it will be minus. Okay, you can see this formula from the book. In this question, these two things are having the minus sign, so we will use the formula having the minus sign. So minus will be here, minus will be here, and here will be plus. Okay. So if you will compare both things, then capital X will be equals to 3x plus 5 and capital Y will be equals to 3x minus 5. Okay. So we are having the left hand side, we have to substitute value in right hand side. So just substitute it. X minus y means 3x plus 5 minus, we have to put one bracket here, x square means 3x plus 5 whole square plus y square means 3x minus 5 whole square plus xy means 3x plus 5 into 3x minus 5. So what I had done here, I had just compared the left hand side, taken the values and then substituted in the expansion form. So can we solve it now? Yes. Open the bracket. Minus 3x plus 5, it is a square plus b square plus 2ab, 5 is a 15, 15 2 is a 30x. Here also a square plus b square minus 2ab, so 15, 15 2 is a 30x. It will become a square minus b square means 3x square minus 5 square. Okay. See, anything is getting cancelled, plus minus cancelled, 5 plus 5 10 into, here see plus minus cancelled, 9 plus 9 18x square, 25 plus 25 50 plus, open it, 9x square minus 5 5s are 25. Okay. 10 into 18 plus 9, how much? It will become 27x square. Okay. Plus 50 minus 25 means 25. We can send 10 inside. So what will it become? 270x square plus 250, which is our needed answer. Okay. Just note it. Okay, students, in the same way you have to do the part 4. You have to just simply apply the identity. So complete exercise 6.2 up to question number 3 in your fair copies in a very proper way, and if anyone is having any kind of problem, okay, he can WhatsApp me or call me. Okay, thank you very much.